Today is install day. Yes, install day. We are going to be installing my Factory47 signature handlebars on my 2021 Road King Special. Now, it's not going to be a step-by-step install. I'm just showing y'all the process as we go along from time to time because hubby needs my help and I'm going to have to help him and I don't have time to be recording everything. But I also wanted to include you guys on our experience and our journey. So far, we have the windshield off, the headlamp, and we are working on the frame.
I need to get a screwdriver because this one ain't little enough.
This is our process so far, guys.
This one ain't small
He's
enough.
trying to get that off.
I gotta get a smaller screwdriver.
So yeah, we're making progress. So far, so good. We haven't run into any kinks as of yet, and hopefully we won't. But I'll keep y'all posted. Stay tuned.
Right there.
So guys, we are about 2.5, 3 hours in. We got the bars off. I don't know if I gave y'all an update. So those are the original bars. Everything is off. Now we're working through fishing these cords through.
Pushing them back this way, like this.
Yeah, now don't forget to hold that part for me.
I'm not. We tied. Okay, guys. So this is where we are. Like I said, these are the new Factory47 bars. These are my cables for my right side, which includes my throttle by wire and the control wire. And this is the left side. That is the old bar over there in the corner. So now we have come to a problem because getting these wires through is a pain in the buttocks, okay? Total pain in the butt. So we're gonna go to Walmart to try to get some electrical tape and what else?
Like I don't know.
Another feeder, something to feed these wires through easily. So we're gonna get some electrical tape so we can remove this coating, this thick coating off of the wires, because this is like really hindering us from getting the wires through the bars. So yeah, we're about to run to Walmart real quick and see if we can find those things. And yeah, that's what we're about to do. Hopefully we'll at least get the wires fed through tonight, because that's my biggest thing. It's just getting the wires through and we can finish the rest tomorrow. But it hasn't been a hard process. This is the first time we run into a challenge is feeding these wires through. Everything else was easy, unscrew and unplug. So yeah, let's go to Walmart. I don't have it with me.
Okay, but I just bought you one.
Well, I need some right now because my lips
Well,
are
give me
dry.
my money back from that other one I bought.
I'm not giving you nothing.
Give me my money back.
Stop it. Be nice to me.
I am. I'm putting these handlebars on that's taking me 18 hours.
We, not you.
Me.
We are one. Y'all, we at Walmart. Just in case y'all didn't know what Walmart looked like. We are at Walmart. And we are about to get some electrical tape. And a few more other things. Cupcakes. Oh, I need to get Savannah's Valentine's Day stuff while I'm in here. Since she's not with us.
Yeah, but she gonna see that big Valentine's Day is, right?
I was gonna put it in the basement. See, I want the brown one. Or should she get the unicorn?
She would want a unicorn instead of a bear.
You think so?
She said she unicorn squad.
I didn't know if she was over that yet.
No, because she just said she was gonna keep me out of unicorn squad if I think she's being mean.
I wonder what she... Okay, so we'll get her a unicorn bear. And I know she wanted some house shoes. See, I was gonna get her these little house shoes, but I gotta find her size.
Are you looking to see what you recorded?
What size is she?
I have no idea.
Cause these are only $5, but they say like 11 or 12. Yeah, 300. That's not bad.
Open part.
Let's get the stuff and then we'll get the Valentine's Day stuff. Ooh, y'all. Springtime barbecue, summertime barbecues are coming. The grills are out. The patio pillows are out. The bird feed is out. Ant and flea killer is out. Look at him. Look at him.
Probably that way.
Yeah.
You want something to put on the back of your motorcycle?
I am not putting that on. I want a Harley luggage bag. I'm gonna get one too. My birthday is coming up.
Probably gonna be.
Oh yeah, that say double-sided tape right there.
Where?
Right there. You see it?
We're looking for duct tape.
Yeah, you said you needed double-sided tape too.
That's thick double-sided tape. Oh, that's double-sided. Where the other side at?
Clear mounting tape.
Yeah, this is because they actually have.
Oh, this is double-sided. This clear mounting tape.
Yeah, but I'm looking for the one that's thinner though, so we can put it behind those lights and we won't have to worry about cutting it. But if not, we'll just get that. But if not,
3M Auto Super Strength Molding Tape.
oh, that wicked. And that's the double side tape. I'm still looking for duct tape. I mean electrical tape.
It's probably somewhere else.
What the hell is electrical tape at? Mountain tape, mounting tape, mounting tape. It must be in another side. It must be where the electrical stuff is.
Mm-hmm.
I thought it was over here with tape.
Let's see. No, Walmart might not even have any. Oh, what's that? Electrical tape. Boom. There's a smaller one. It says 57 cents.
How many feet is this?
Beaded pull chain.
Hold on. How long are these? 3 feet, 3 feet?
I just grabbed two. They're
So that's 6 feet.
$2.
Just to be on the safe side, because this only 6 feet. So 6 feet should be
Enough.
Yeah, because he said he used about 4 feet. That should be it.
All right. And we didn't need nothing else.
That's what I'm trying to think.
It
You got
was
the double-sided tape for the lights.
the electrical tape.
We got the electrical tape and we got the beads. That
Right.
should be it. That should be it.
Oh, I gotta go to the kids section to look at the house shoes.
The who?
To look at the house shoes, the slippers. Unicorn Squad. What you looking for?
I said they had the new Halloween.
Okay.
I don't know.
Do you guys, what kind of movies do you guys like? We love horror movies.
But then if I do that, then I can download and have them.
Yeah, we watch horror movies day in and day out. My husband's favorite movie of all time is Halloween, each and every one of them. I enjoy watching them too. Love me some Michael Myers.
Yeah, we got the
Might have to order it off Amazon.
I know about it. How they got whack ass candy, man? But that's good Halloween. Everybody must want it. But let me just make sure I ain't missing it.
When I was a kid, I was totally terrified of The Shining with Jack Nicholson in it. But as I watch it as an adult, I'm not as afraid of it. But I do like the new Shining that came out a few years ago. I can't remember the name, but it's the new Shining with the little girl that had all the powers. And that was what's the new Shining called?
Dr. Sleep.
Dr. Sleep, yeah. I really enjoy Dr. Sleep.
I'm mad they ain't got a 4K one though. That's
We'll
right.
put it back and we'll order the 4K. We'll stop complaining about it.
I'm not. You said it's so.
I know, but we can order 4K on Amazon, so I don't know why you're.
I don't like waiting.
Impatience.
Yes.
What happens when I tell you to wait for things?
Some stuff it works out, but
Most things work out.
But this
When
is
has it
just-
ever not worked out?
a lot of times.
Give me an example.
A lot of times. You didn't give me an example. You just said a lot of times.
No, you gonna put that back?
No.
Really? Really?
I've been waiting for this movie to come in.
I'm leaving.
It'll move, right?
Whatever, then you're the one complaining about it, not me. You're the one complaining, not me. Antlers. Oh my God, y'all, this movie was awful. We just watched it the other night. Look, Antlers. The movie we watched the other night.
No, it just came out that long ago, I thought.
Awful. He's still looking for a 4K. This is the kind of stuff my husband do. I done told him. Oh, customer service is closed. But yeah, he's still back there looking for a 4K. I told him we could order it, but he's so impatient. He don't even want to wait. The Twilight Zone. Oh, look, babe. Married with Children. Did you watch this as a child? This is
No,
one of
not
my
really.
favorite shows.
You know,
I love. Oh, ow.
I was a ghetto child. I didn't watch that.
Oh,
There go
ow.
all the Conjurings.
On one.
DVD.
Oh yeah, that's a good pick. I think we look at this. All right. Oh, there's the blue cheese guy.
No, that's the one that told MJ he didn't know nothing about Naruto too.
That's the one that likes blue cheese too.
Look at that, so man, they can represent their dad, Irish and uniform.
We're looking for slippers. I don't even know what size she wears. I'm gonna have to call her.
She said she's cold. Look, bitch, you won't be called bus no more. Surprise, baby.
Where the slippers at? Hey, what size are your shoes? Okay, guys, this is my personal Harley-Davidson tech right here. And we are now, how many hours, babe? About 6 hours in?
Yeah, 6.
About 6 hours into the handlebar installation. We did take a break because we had to go to Walmart to get this feeder, this metal feeder here. Feeder string, which helped us out tremendously, and some electrical tape. And as you can see, guys, finally all the wires are pulled through the new handlebars. So now we're about to go outside, do the easy part, and reinstall everything. So hopefully we'll be done with that in the next 30 to 45 minutes. But yeah, we'll see. Stay tuned. Okay, guys, we are 7 hours in. We are almost done. We are putting in the last touches. Everything is pretty much connected except for the light bulb. But as you can see, the bars are on. Y'all, this clutch extension gave us the blues. This right here, this clutch extension gave us the absolute blues. I mean, it came with instructions and all, but
You straighten up just a little bit.
yeah, I'm coming. But yeah, just checking in, 7 hours in, making progress. We'll be done in a few. Okay, guys, so last night we went to bed around 9 o'clock. No, not 9 o'clock, 2 o'clock. So that was about 9 hours into this install. We're back at it this morning. We're actually almost done, y'all.
Don't say that yet. You're not jinxing. You said that last night.
The issue is trying to get this headlamp stuff together and getting that to fit flush, and yeah, we're getting there, but I don't know. Sometimes I wonder if spending the money for Harley to do it was worth it or just a little time and effort. But it's bonding time for me and babe because we never, do any handyman projects as such until we got the Harley. So it's a learning experience for the both of us, and it's definitely teaching us patience because you have to be patient with this process. So yeah, we'll check back in a minute. See you in a minute. Okay, guys, so we tried to reassemble the light housing here, but we can't get it to line up perfectly. Like, I don't know if the wires are in the way or what's going on, but we can't get both sides, because the other side is here. We can't get both sides to line up perfectly so we can get the light back in. I just called Thunder Tower with Harley-Davidson and told them to come and get this bike because I'm over it. Like, 9.5 hours in now. I'm completely over it. We tested everything out. The light works, the blinkers work, the hazards, horn, all of the controllers are working, everything is wired through perfectly, but we cannot get the housing to fit. And I don't know what it is. We have maneuvered cables, and this is the clutch cable, and it's really, really stiff, and we moved things around feels like 100 times, but it's not lining up, which is so freaking frustrating because we've gotten this far. I mean, the hardest part we thought was gonna be fishing the lines through the handlebars, which was not. The hardest and most difficult and most challenging part was the clutch extension?
Yeah, the clutch extension.
Installing the clutch extension. And that took about an hour of trying to figure out what the hell we were doing. But I mean, we got that done and we're like, okay, great. So let's just put it back together and we're good to go. But nope, can't put it back together. Can't get this housing for the light to line up perfectly. So I'm over it. I'm about to send it back to Thunder Tower West. They can figure it out for me. And I'm done. I tried. Baby, we tried. We gave it, what, 9.5 hours?
9.5 hours. But it sucks because I don't like failing. And I wanted to be able to say we put our bars on ourselves.
Well, we did put our bars on ourselves.
Technically.
We just can't get the housing back on.
Yeah.
So we're gonna send it down there. I called them. They said they'll come and get it. They just need to figure out a day to come and pick it up. And yeah, so that's where we are, y'all. We tried, and hopefully it still won't be $850 to reassemble this thing, because the hard part is over. It's just this part. But we'll see. We'll see. But I like my bars, y'all. The Factory47s, they look really, really, really good, especially with my Suicide Choppers backrest, sissy bar backrest, and luggage rack. I'm thinking I'm going to purchase the engine guards from Factory47 as well sometime soon, but we have to see how much it's gonna cost for this light to be reassembled correctly. Yeah. Oh, and hubby stepped on the piece and broke it. Let me just point this out. This was his one fail, y'all. And he is not handy at all, so I'm so proud of him. He was more dedicated than me, because, you know, I was ready to spend that coin. I ain't care at this point. But he was way more dedicated. He did not give up. And this ain't even his bike. This is my bike. So I'm very thank you, baby. Thank you so much. But back to his fuck up. So, yeah. This right here. This is a piece that goes like right down the strip of the middle when you combine both the sides. And yeah, he was over here doing something and stepped on it and broke that little screw in half. This is the other piece to it right here. Oh, it's not focused. There it is. So yeah, so he broke this in half. But other than that, y'all, that was his only mess up of the night. I mean, I don't have a bunch of scratches because I just knew he was going to scratch the hell out of my bike. But he did not. So I'm proud of him. And yeah, that's where we are. So stay tuned for the big reveal from Thunder Tower West. I will keep y'all posted. Y'all, she looks phenomenal, even halfway put together. I'm loving the look. Like I said, I'm gonna get the engine guards next that go right here. I'm gonna switch those out. But yeah, I love the way she's looking. That just sets it off. Those 14-inch handlebars really, really, really sets it off. So I'm super excited. I'm super proud. Now I'm gonna try to go and salvage the rest of today, since all of yesterday evening was kind of dedicated to Dirty Red. So yeah, today is about me and Bae. So that's what we're about to do. Thank you so much for tuning in. This is going to be part 1. Part 2 is going to be possibly me getting my bike back completely finished and doing a walk around for you guys. So yeah, stay tuned, stay on the lookout. Remember, I'm the road queen on my road king.